Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to earn some extra cash? Do you want to make money online but don't know where to start? Are you interested in exploring unique and creative ways to make money with Chatgpt? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we're gonna show you 7 exciting and unconventional ways to make money online using Chatgpt. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Number 1. Sell your expertise on a consultation platform. It's one of the most unique ways to make money with Chatgpt is to sell your expertise on consultation platform. There are various websites where you can sign up as a consultant and start selling your knowledge on a particular subject. For instance, if you're an expert in finance, you can offer consultation services to clients and get paid for it. Not only is selling your expertise on a consultation platform a great way to earn some extra cash, but it's also a way to help others. By sharing your knowledge and skills with those in need, you can make positive impact on their lives and businesses. Number 2. Become a content writer. The demand for high-quality content is constantly growing, and businesses are looking for skilled writers to help them engage with their audience. As a content writer with Chatgpt, you will have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and write about a range of topics. Whether you are interested in technology, finance, or health and wellness, there's always a need for content writers in those industries. In addition to writing for chatbots, you can also write articles or blog posts for websites and social media. For instance, you can write informative blog posts about skincare for a beauty company, or great engaging social media captions for a fitness brand. The possibilities are endless, and as a content writer with Chatgpt, you have the flexibility to choose the projects that interest you the most. Number 3. Develop chatbots for businesses. If you have a background in programming or artificial intelligence, developing chatbots for businesses can be a lucrative way to make money with Chatgpt. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular among businesses as they provide 24/7 customer service, help to automate repetitive tasks, and can even generate leads. As a chatbot developer with Chatgpt, you can create custom chatbots for businesses in various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. For example, you can develop a chatbot that helps patients schedule appointments with their doctors, or a chatbot that provides personalized financial advice to clients. Number 4. Create an online course. Creating an online course is an excellent way to share your knowledge and skills with a wider audience while also generating income. With the rise of e-learning, there's never been a better time to create an online course. You can choose any topic you're passionate about, from cooking to digital marketing, and create a comprehensive course that covers all the essentials. With Chatgpt, you can take your online course to the next level by creating a chatbot that can assist your students in their learning process. For example, you can develop a chatbot that answers common questions, provides additional resources, and offers personalized feedback to your students. Number 5. Offer virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services are a great way to leverage your administrative and organizational skills and earn money online. With Chatgpt, you can offer a range of virtual assistant services to clients, from email management to appointment scheduling and social media management. For example, you can help a busy executive manage their email inbox, schedule appointments, keep their calendar up to date, or you can assist an entrepreneur with social media management, creating content, engaging with followers. The possibilities are endless, and as a virtual assistant with Chatgpt, you have the flexibility to choose the projects that interest you. Number 6. Participate in online surveys. Participating in online surveys can be an easy and flexible way to earn money in your spare time. Companies and organizations use online surveys to gather valuable feedback from consumers on a wide range of topics, such as product references, marketing strategies, customer satisfaction. With Chatgpt, you can even create your own surveys and get paid for it. For instance, If you're an expert in a particular field, such as education or healthcare, you can create a survey to gather feedback from other professionals in your industry. You can then use the insights from survey to inform your own research or consulting work. Number 7, sell your digital products. Selling digital products can be a great way to monetize your skills and expertise. Whether you are a writer, designer, or developer, there are many opportunities to create and sell digital products that can help others achieve their goals. With Chatgpt, you can create a chatbot that can assist your customers with their purchases, providing them with a more personalized and efficient shopping experience. For instance, if you sell ebooks, you can create a chatbot that recommends related titles, answers customer questions about the content, and provides links to purchase the book. There are many unique and exciting ways to make money online with Chatgpt. Whether you're looking to sell your expertise, create digital products, or offer virtual assistant services, there are endless possibilities to monetize your skills and knowledge. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications for our future videos.